guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing a review on this beautiful wig. It is a straight texture in 26 inches. If you want to know all the details about this wig, stick around. This hair is from Allove Hair. I did try some Allove Hair before I got sponsored hair reviews. So I tried their curly hair. I think it was a deep wave hair and I made it into a wig, but that was like 3-4 years ago. Anyways, we're in this room now. They reached out to me, said, yes, bring it, because I remember back then the hair felt really soft. Like, it did feel really nice. Today's install was very simple. I'm going to show you guys the unboxing portion right now. Saw the unboxing portion, I did bleach the knots on the closure because that's just what I do. I like to have my knots bleached to make it look the most realistic. I did bleach it with 40 volume developer and bleach. It took really well to the bleach. The knots lifted beautifully. Now this is a 4x4 closure, so the lace is just from here to here. I wanted to do simple hairstyle, so that's what we did today. So all I went for was a straight part. I did no baby hairs on this wig, hardly any plucking. I only plucked the lace right here. You guys will see in the styling portion of the video, I blow dried it straight. So I washed it last night and I let it air dry naturally, and then I blow dried it. Isn't she gorgeous? And she is in 26 inches. Like, no oils, no hair product. This is the hair's natural luster. I love how this hair feels. The only thing that I do wish, like, maybe more of a fuller density. This is 150. Usually when it comes to straight wigs that are long, I like to have it a bit more full. This is just my personal preference. Because of the density on the wig, it's very comfortable to wear. I don't feel any tracks or anything, or like my head's being squished. So that is good. You can also get this hair from AliExpress or the Allove website. I will leave all the information in the description box below. Straight hair for me is my go-to hairstyle. when I get straight hair, I'm always looking for a few things, like how does it feel when it's styled? Can it hold a curl? Does it wash well? Does it get tangled when you're washing it? Wearing, like, do you need to wash it every time you wear it? These are things that I ask myself when it comes to straight hair. To keep you guys updated on this wig, to be honest, it does feel really soft. It has a beautiful, nice luster to it, and the hair is not tangling. There's no shedding from the unit as I'm pulling my hands through it. Like, I'm really pulling on the hair, and there's nothing at all. So that is really good. That makes me feel confident that the wig is not gonna go bald. I love this length. This length is giving me summer vibes. Skip spring, let's just get to summer already. That's what this is giving me. It is pretty simple. It is a simple hairstyle. I like the clean part when it comes to straight hair, and I don't always want baby hairs. I'm gonna wait and let you guys know if it is Kaviar approved on the follow-up update review in a few months on this hair. It is really nice hair, so I definitely want to see what I can put it through. Like, maybe I'll curl the hair and see how it holds a curl. So don't forget to thumbs up this video. I'll wrap it up here. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.